Mustafizur Rahman up against Rohit Sharma in the form of his life.
Last time Rohit walked out to bat against Bangladesh, he faced a bowler no one had heard of. Rohit's stature was up against a 19-year-old lightweight, both literally and figuratively. And this is what followed.
Again pitches it up, leading edge, it's going to go to hard, and that's got it! Super bowling!
A cutter did Rohit in the first time. Then it was an in-swinger.
Mostly him up, and it's not a wicket, no catch taken. Rohit Sharma is gone, and guess who's taken the wicket?
And just when Rohit was beginning to pick Mustafizur, the left armour tempted Rohit outside off stump in Rohit's weak zone.
Rohit Sharma's had a waft of this, and the youngster has got him again. That's 3 out of 3 in the series.
3 in 3 for Mustafizur. No prizes for guessing who won that battle. The man of the series prize says it all. Now the two are toe-to-toe again, and the daggers are drawn.
Normally when he bowls, I knew that he never targeted in certain players. He knew that once he's bowling at his best, he can get out anyone. It wasn't, a surprise for us because we knew that he can destroy.
He's a very good talent, and he did trouble us last time around when we played. I think he used the conditions really well. The wicket was slower, and he used his cutters really well, and he was an unknown quantity for us. We didn't expect that he'll bowl so many cutters even with the new ball.